Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 version on Ubuntu 25.04. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 17.4. So click on download, then click on Linux, then select Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 25.04, 24.10, 24.04, 22.04 and 20.04. So verify the version of the Ubuntu that I have connected. more/etc os-release. See, I am on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay. So we have to run these commands one by one. So first it is going to install CS certificates and call. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install this pgdg, paste it, hit enter, it is done. Now import the repository signing key. Paste it, hit enter, it is done. Now create the repository configuration file. So copy both the lines from this dot to this second line up to end. So paste it. See, at the end it is quotations. So let me verify that it is copied successfully. So hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. Successfully updated the packages. Control L. Now install the PostgreSQL server. So sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give any version, you will install the latest one. But if you want to install like 17, give 17, 16, give 16, 15, give 15. Okay, I want to install latest version, so don't give the version. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and this is the data directory or main directory, and these are the some default values for the PostgreSQL. So first verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is active and running. It is enabled. Quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres esql. See, this is the PSQL version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, use the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.4. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user. So use the /du. See, this is the user, that is the Postgres, which is the super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then provide the password in singular double quotes. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. So we have successfully set the password. Now verify the list of the databases. /l or select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify again /l. See, new database is there. Quit. Now switch to this new database by using /c or /connect. Either is same. Then we have to provide the name of the database. Now see the message. You are now connected to database. Bank as user Postgres. Now create a table. See, you don't have any tables in this database. Create table. Now verify. See, we have created table in public schema and the owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create user. So this is the only user. Create user. We have successfully created. Verify. See, new user James is created. Now exit from this PostgreSQL by using \q. Then connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. PSQL -u must be caps, username -h, localhost -d. Then provide the database name. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this James user. See, this is the password. Whatever is there in singular quotes, that is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have successfully logged in with the user James. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we have successfully switched. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created, that is customer. See, permission needed for the table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu 25.05. So exit from this Postgres user, because we cannot start or stop or restart with the user Postgres. Now verify the status first. Sudo systemctl. See, PostgreSQL server is running. We to quit, control it. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl. Stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from this user. Start it again. Sudo systemctl. Start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Okay. If you want to restart, just give restart. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 1 second ago. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is how to find the conf file location. Sudo su connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL. Now verify the PostgreSQL conf file location. Select config _ file. It is not select, it is show. Show. See, this is the configuration file which contains PostgreSQL server configuration information. If you want to find the HBA conf file, that is post-based authentication file location, just you show HBA _ file. See, this is the file location. See, both this PostgreSQL and HBA are in the same directory. If you want to find the data directory, show data _ direct. This conf file location and data directory locations are different. Okay. In the same way, if you want to find log directory, just replace this data with log. Okay. See, this is the log directory. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.